If your mind won't stop thinking, even when you want it to, stay with me. You are not doing anything wrong. The more you try to quiet your thoughts, the more they seem to continue, and that can feel exhausting. Like you just want a moment of peace, but your mind won't give it to you. So for the next few minutes, you don't need to control your thoughts. You don't need to figure anything out. You can simply let everything begin to settle. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, and gently allow your eyes to close if that feels natural. Take a slow breath in and a soft breath out. And again, breathing in and letting go. There's nothing you need to get right here, nothing you need to achieve. This moment is simply a space for you. Now bring your attention to your breath, not trying to change it, not trying to control it, just noticing it as it is. The gentle rise and fall. And as you rest your attention here, you may notice thoughts appearing, pulling you away. That's okay. That's what the mind does. Each time you notice a thought, just gently bring your attention back to the breath. And begin to notice something subtle. The thoughts come and they go. But there is a part of you that simply sees them. A quiet awareness that isn't caught up in the noise. That part of you is already still, already calm. You don't need to create peace. You're just returning to it. Now gently bring your awareness into your body, starting with your face. Let the muscles around your eyes soften. Your jaw unclenches. Your forehead smooths. And let your shoulders drop, just a little, as if you've been carrying something that you can now put down. Feel the weight of your body being supported beneath you. Nothing to hold, nothing to carry. And now imagine all the thoughts from today. The worries, the planning, the things you've been holding on to. Like clouds, moving slowly across the sky. You don't need to follow them. You don't need to hold on to them. They can just pass on their own. And with each breath out, feel a little more space, a little more quiet. Let your breath become softer now, more natural, more effortless, and begin to notice the space between thoughts. Even if it's just for a moment, that space is where calm lives. And the more you notice it, the more it begins to open. This is your inner temple, a space within you where nothing needs to be solved and nothing needs to be carried. You can return here whenever you need to. Now just rest here with your breath, with your body, with this quiet awareness. Nothing to do, nowhere to go. Just being. And when you are ready, begin to bring your awareness back into your body. Gently noticing the space around you. Maybe moving your fingers, your toes, and slowly opening your eyes. Notice how you feel now. Even if it's just a little lighter, a little clearer. And remember, you don't need to wait for things to change to feel at peace. You can return to this space anytime.